of the north. You are made of sterling material and are second to none. Why should you also cross the sea like many others, like our own forefathers? You are a nation whose history is replete with people of wonderful grit, character and heroism. Live up to your tradition and add to another chapter of glory. All I require of you now is that every one of us whom this message reaches must vow to himself and be prepared to sacrifice his all if necessary. Building up Pakistan as a bulwark of Islam and as one of the greatest nations whose ideal is peace within and peace without. Pakistan! Keep up your morale. Do not be afraid of death. Our religion teaches us to be always prepared for death. We should face it bravely. Save the honor of Pakistan and Islam. There is no better salvation for a Muslim than the death of a martyr for a righteous cause. If we are right, we cannot fail. And we shall live and not die. Do your duty